accommodating people who welcome visitors, but not to the detriment of our people. You cannot come and insult or throw words to our Oba Benin. I am using this medium to advise Eyoze Ogbebo because we have been informed that she was invited by Eyoze Ogbebo for a burial ceremony, and it is taking place at the military-based hospital, Airport Road. We are I particularly, kindly advising Eyoze Ogbebo to take that thing back to Lagos. That thing she brought to Benin.
My people, another one don't happen again, no, my people. Our very old uncle don't send message to Bobrisky Idris Ogunleye, where everybody know as Lagos crossdresser, the president of crossdresser in Nigeria. No be small matter, no be small gbege. We still dey the matter of Bobrisky for the atrocity wey he do, the abominable thing wey he do for Edo State. When he come one event for Edo State, where one popular person, popular Edo pikin wey they call Ehis Ogbebo, invite and come. Oh my God. Our uncle come give am word of advice. And not before only Bobrisky, now also to our own daughter wey they call Ehis Ogbebo. My people, make una dey look the kind person una dey invite come party. Oh, imagine the type of person where they carry enter person party now, my people. Not be small matter. Oh, come see person where they invite come person party now. Bobrisky come, he want come spoil his party. I don't know who die for his family where she they do burial. My people, you understand? According to reliable source, they say na burial. Now his the true. Now he can't invite Bobrisky. My great uncle from Edo State, Curtis Ugbo, don't give a his and the thing where he bring come, tin tomatoes, tin jerrycan, tin ororo. He don't give a word of advice. He said me his sister wey they call Ehizogi. Ehiosu may he tell that thing. Oh my God, now that place nice sweet me for inside the matter. That thing wey he bring come for Lagos. He said me return her back immediately. Exactly. He said because Benin no dey buy. Benin no dey carry that kind thing. You understand? He said for him to bring that thing come Lagos, come use and disrespect our great God. He say it's no good because the people hear and say, nah, he's going invite that thing come Edo State. He said before the great Edo people, the great Edo's great, come outside, come answer that thing. He said he need to give one quick the pot paper. He said because that thing no like wetin the Edo go use in eye see. My people, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening, depends on the time where I tell the una till they watch me from. How you all doing, guys? I hope you all are doing great. Not be small matter, or not be small gbege, or the story don't change for time, my people. Bobrisky don't use the hand buy market, so he enter Benin, that one no sweet time. Can't go shook man for where he not supposed to shook man, all in the name of cashing crew. My people, una see and when they told una say make una live una self for the way God take create una, say too much attachment, too many for una body. Many people don't want to hear. Too much makeup, too much what they call am artificial. If to say Bobrisky he remain Idris Ogunleye now, this kind of thing we do now, if we not enter his head now, or this kind palabra wey put for in head in generation, if we not happen, you understand? He not gree. He can't say that kind of thing not dey happen. just because of famous Bobrisky turn himself to get. My people, I no too blame Bobrisky o. Na the person wey dress Bobrisky reach like this, wey turn to Edo princess, na him na. This one na abomination na. This one na Arueme, na Tufi Akwa. Why you go dress this woman with Benin costume? So now this one I cause all the palaba. Wey start to dey misbehave, begin dey call himself queen. Bobrisky, na abomination, na jump out from your mouth. Why you know when motor, You are you know when motor because awa or thing for nowhere. Area wa. Then you use your mouth to talk so. So my people, now so we see the matter we dey for inside town. After Bobrisky don dress like queen, dress like Benin princess, so now make body come dey catch am. Now make am e no come know between him and her or him and she again. And the palaba na be this one, my people. Na e cause am. So na the person wey dress am na e get the blame. Me, I believe say na Benin person na e dress am. Which kind hungry you come dress man like woman. You can't dress person like Edo princess. Now you palaba dey with my dear. You understand? My people, immediately Bobrisky enter Benin. Hey, he be say me come cause another thing for Benin. Unfortunately, they say man propose, God disposes. Now wetin can happen na another thing na can happen, no, my people. Na another palaba na Bobrisky come enter. Now, our uncle. So na another palaba na Bobrisky come enter. Immediately he enter Benin. It is say Benin people dey buy. You no know say Benin no dey buy. Benin no get wetin dey use this kind thing till they do according to the way our uncle take talk am. Bobrisky is a thing. Whether na tin tomato or na tin tatashe or na tin anything is a thing. So my people, how una see this matter? Because a lot of people they blast our Edo sister Ehis. Say she no try at all. Why she go carry that thing come Benin? When you know say we get tradition and we dey forbid this kind thing. You know say this kind thing no fit enter Edo no baje awawa. Say na very, very bad thing. So you understand? Say na very, very bad thing. Say this thing not supposed to dey Benin. And people, how una see am? Please, if you are just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I do upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. So my new subscriber, you all are highly welcome. And to my returnees, may God bless you. So my people, we still did the matter of Bobrisky and Ehizogie. Ehizogie will invite Bobrisky come burial ceremony for Edo State. He no fair consult the oracle to know whether this thing go fit enter Edo State. He no fair consult the oracle say whether Edo State dey forbid this thing wey in carry follow body come. Whether if this thing enter Edo State, whether it go turn to Okpeleko or it go turn to Egui before it go back, he no know. He begin dey carry this thing, dey waka dey come. Until this thing come enter Edo State, it come turn to another thing for inside Edo State. At the end, and shame this thing, they waka leave Edo State. Because we dey forbid this thing. According to the way our brother say talk and what they call Abat Obaze, he say we know they patronize this thing for Benin. Yes. Thank God. This thing become Benin, comes where Benin picking them. Benin sons. But God did not allow this thing to succeed. My people, I'm so happy that this thing, the plan where this thing get for that Edo State, it not come for put. Because imagine if to say this thing succeed enter Benin, because according to the way they take talk, and they say na ring road na e for do that video where she I say she, my people, make una no vex. Na this dress, oh, this fine dress wey I just dey admire, so na im make me confuse say na she. They say na ring road there na this thing for do the video wey e be put for Instagram. Na see wetin social media go cost. Hey, my people, social media go cost a lot of things. This thing be wan use am cash fund, according to the way e take talk am for her Instagram page. E say na this thing na e use am cash a cruise. If you wan use am cash cruise, a whole our kingdom, a whole our father wan use am cash. Oh my God, gone are the days. So people no dey fear tradition again, sha. I never hear am when me dey grow dey come say you go open mouth throway go give big house. I never hear am. Nobody even dey discuss am, but this internet children just come spoil everywhere. But thank God say Edo no be Lagos. Na that one I take bless Edo people. Edo no be Lagos. We no dey use our Oba say dey play. According to the way one blogger take talk am, I no want talk am like that. Say if una dey use una own, Edo, we no dey try am. Go ask the two people wey e try am. One drink pepper soup, while the other one no fit go back to Edo again till their kingdom come, or she go go Nwenwoto. Without using mouth to Nwenwoto, she cannot enter Benin again. Na the kind tradition wey we get be that one. So Bobrisky, e good as you just run. E good as you just turn, that is book the newest flight back to Lagos, because Edo no be Lagos. When they talk am for election time, na think say na only election. Na only election time na the matter for finish for them. No. If you want really know the real truth, go and ask Ijore. Go and ask Eddie Murphy. Idahosa. They will tell you where they came from. Say the place no be my mind. Say Edo no be Lagos. Or ask your sister Yemi Alade. Yemi Alade will relate all the story of Edo to you. When she used Edo costume, my people, now there now for hang this story. You understand? So I know we'll talk past here. So my people,
good morning,
thank you very much for
good afternoon,
watching, and may God bless you. I will see you now for another video where
my sisters,
to
my Edo brothers,
so this one I just little video
and Nigerians across the world.
Or whether na whiskey or Bobrisky
I'm making this short broadcast.
So what did it try for dream? May not try for real life again.
A video we saw
Edo no be Lagos.
online yesterday,
so I thought my own
where one thing they call
Edo is not
Bobrisky
Lagos. See you guys in my next video, guys. I remain your humble sister. Everyone entertainment. Love you all. Bye bye. Choose.
We do not condone such statements or comments from anybody, most especially someone that is of low class, that has no class. If they respect that person in Lagos, we don't in Benin. We are accommodating people who welcome visitors, but not to the detriment of our people. You cannot come and insult or throw words to our Oba Benin. I am using this medium to advise Eyoze Ogbebo, because we have been informed that she was invited by Eyoze Ogbebo for a burial ceremony, and it is taking place at the military base hospital airport road. We are I particularly kindly advising Eyoze Ogbebo to take that thing back to Lagos. That thing she brought to Benin should be taken back to Lagos. We don't want to see her in that event today in Benin. We do not want to see her in that event today in Benin. If you dare us, thinking that you are holding the event at the military base, hospital, airport road, we will surprise you. We will surprise you. I repeat, we will surprise you. If you want to dare us, want to try us and see